Love, there's so many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love, so many people use your name in vain. Love, those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Love, through all the ups and downs and joy and hurt. Love, for better or worse, I still will choose you first. Oh, oh, oh. Many days I've longed for you, wanting you, hoping for the chance to get to know you, longing for your kiss and your touch and your essence. Many nights I've cried from the things you do, feel like I could die from the thought of losing you. I know that you're real, with no doubt or no fears or no questions, oh love. At first you didn't mean that much to me, but now I know you're all I need. The world looks so brand new to me, now that I've found love. Every day I live for you. Everything that I do it for you. What I say is how I feel, so believe it's true. You got to know I'm true. Love, 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 love. So many people love.